Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to wrap text in Google Sheets mobile. So here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a table as well on my spreadsheet. And we're going to practice to wrap text on this first row right here for this full or nickname and also for this car column. And then the first thing we can do is we can select the cell like this. Then we just need to click on this A button. Then there will be two options for us, and there is a text and also cell, and we can click on cell option right here. Then we can scroll down until we find wrap text, and this is the wrap text option, and then you just need to click on the circle button. Okay guys, and this is the result, and to make it tidier I'm just gonna click on text right here, then click on this option and also this one. Okay guys, and that's how we can wrap text in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.